Hello friends, in this video we will see how energy will be transferred in the ecosystem and the pyramids of energy. First of all, we'll see how the energy will be transferred from primary producers to the topmost carnivores in the ecosystem. This is also called as food chain. Primary producers will produce the food, that is energy, and this energy will be utilized, some energy will be utilized by the plant itself, that is primary producers itself, and remaining energy will be available for the adjacent trophic level, that is for herbivorous animals. And again, from herbivorous animals some energy will be utilized from themselves, and rest of the energy will be available for the third trophic level, and in so on. And each and every trophic level some energy will be utilized or consumed by the organisms, and this is called total energy is called as gross energy, and the available energy for the next or adjacent trophic level is called as net primary productivity or energy will be available. Now we'll see how this energy will be transferred, and it is shown by graphical form, that is called as pyramid of pyramids. In this video we are going to focus mainly upon a pyramid of energy. A pyramid of energy is a graphical representation of the amount of energy at each trophic level of a food chain. They are expressed in unit of energy per area per time. Pyramid of energy is always upright in each and every ecosystem. You take any example, you will get it is upright in position. It is upright because when energy flow from trophic level to next trophic level, some energy is always lost as heat at each trophic level, and at the base there are primary producers. So they are the only organisms which will able to convert the physical energy, that is sunlight's energy, into the chemical energy, and it will be deposited in the body, that is biomass, and that will be available for the successive trophic levels. Now we'll see how this diagram or diagrammatic representation will be described over here. At the base, it is shown by green color. Base of this pyramid is broad because in each and every ecosystem plant producers are large in number and quantity as well, and they are the only organisms can fix the solar energy and converted that solar energy or physical energy into the chemical energy, and this energy only available to the successive trophic level. None of the organisms from other trophic levels have this capacity. That is why plants are also called as primary producers. Without primary producers, there will be no energy in the ecosystem. In the next level, that is primary consumer, some energy or remaining energy from the producers will be available for the primary consumers. They are mostly herbivorous animals. Suppose if you talk about the forest ecosystem, in the forest ecosystem lot of herbivorous animals are there, like deers. They will graze on the primary producers, and they deposit some energy, they utilize some energy, and that energy will be available for the secondary consumers, and so on in the next or adjacent. This is another type of representation only. Same thing is there, but it shows how the energy will be available in different trophic levels, how some energy will be available for adjacent trophic level, where the remaining energy will gone. It is shown in this slide. You see, most of the energy will be lost in the form of heat, and only small amount of energy will be available for the adjacent trophic levels. But at the bottom, there are the primary producers. They have 100% energy with them, and some energy will be utilized, some energy will be lost, and remaining only 10% of the energy will be available to the next trophic level, and so on. Actually, this is another diagram, but it is not shown any representation of energy. But when you talk about the pyramids of energy or pyramids, there are different shapes of pyramids are available, but it is not applicable in pyramid of energy. The shape of the pyramid in case of energy in any ecosystem, it may be a forest ecosystem or grassland ecosystem or even the aquatic ecosystem, it is always upright. But there are other examples. In that case, you will get inverted shape as well as upright shape of the pyramids of number or pyramids of biomass. But in case of pyramid of energy, it is always upright. Thank you.